Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be changing the transmission shift solenoid on the Prelude, which is this one right here. These two things, that's the entire transmission shift solenoid. So the reason why we're changing it is because it's actually leaking transmission fluid, which is not ideal obviously, and I believe this is the cause of the transmission not shifting into gear smoothly and hesitating when I'm on the gas. So just to inform you guys, the transmission shift solenoid controls the flow of transmission fluid, and it sends in an electric signal, you can see here, telling the shift solenoid when to transfer fluid out of the transmission and at what rate. So if it's leaking fluid, then it's not going to be able to do it properly. So we're going to change it, and it's just 3 10mm bolts and disconnecting the sensor from the connector back here. Alright, so this connector, obviously you just need to push this top thing, lock it from the top, and then you should be able to pull it apart. Also, another thing you're going to want to remove is this clip from the old one, the old sensor, and put it on the new transmission shift solenoid. So this one clips in on the bottom first to the connector, just like that, and then after that you just bolt the 3 10mm and you should be able to connect it to the connector again. Just make sure that the seal is correctly put on, that way it doesn't leak. You also just want to clean the surface where you remove the transmission shift solenoid as well, so just use some brake clean. Before you put the last bolt in at the top, make sure that this bracket that holds the connector goes right over the shift solenoid, right over it, just like that, and then you put the bolt in. There's also another bracket at the bottom that you need to put in. Alright guys, that's how you install the automatic transmission shift solenoid. It's pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for next video. Thank you for watching.